removing the 5 Torx head screws that are holding it on, and then I'll bring the camera down and show the drain plug location for the primary.
Welcome to another video, people. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so happy that you are here. I hope you're having a great day. As you saw in the introductory clip by Mr. J.W. Casebeer, fantastic name by the way, he did remove the primary to do an oil change in the primary. It seems like a pretty easy thing to do, right? That seems like a pretty easy thing to do. And I'm pretty sure it is. However, when I did it, one of the screws, the last one I was supposed to remove, it absolutely was totally busted. So that didn't go at all as planned, unfortunately. So yeah, I guess I actually booked an appointment to the dealer, because I don't have the proper tools to extract a busted screw, which kind of sucks. So I need to get that eventually, but not now. I hardly find a butter knife in the place now, since everything is like basically packed down. So yeah, that sucks. But yeah, hopefully I get that fixed next week, and then I will do the oil change. I actually did the oil change for the engine itself. So I still have the transmission and the primary still to do. Yeah, hopefully that will come soon. So anyway, how have you guys been? I am doing absolutely fantastic. I cannot complain. Still in love with my QuadLock mount and the charger. My god, it's a lifesaver, because I actually had pretty low battery going out today. So just stick it into the USB, and that was a good one. Just charge. Fantastic. I've been cooped up in the apartment the whole day, so I really needed to get out, as you usually do. I mean, come on, who doesn't want to go out riding no matter what, unless it's snowing and raining and like hurricanes and stuff? Maybe then no. Other than that, yeah, perfect. I like those bikers that basically only take their bike out when it's like super sunny, zero wind, and and they yes, I ride a motorcycle, yeah, it's the best thing. Yeah, but you're not doing it unless the conditions are absolutely like perfect, which you all know they basically not always are. So yeah, if you're a biker, you go out pretty much in any weather. I do not go out when it's raining, I admit it, because I do not like the rain. I don't like to walk in the rain, run in the rain, or bike in the rain. That's just so I don't make a difference on biking and other outdoor activities while raining. For whatever reason, I have turned on the radio, and the reception is absolutely crap. All I hear is and some tunes in between. Hey Siri, play my music. Way better. Thank you, Siri. Yeah, just to demonstrate, voice command actually works on this thing, on the Cardo. It's such a good thing to have. My God. So, what do you guys up to? Any plans for the summer that has been cancelled, or are you still like keeping your fingers crossed that things will shape up? I heard that I think it was in the state of California, they most likely will issue another 3 months of lockdown, which is kind of crazy. That's a lot. I mean, what is it like? What is it? May, June, July? That's August. Being in lockdown. That's. Ooh. I feel sorry for you, man. You know who you are. So yeah, here. I mean, not so much restrictions. More recommendations. Yes, we do have some restrictions. We have like you cannot be more than 50 people. You cannot. You should not sit like more than like 2 meters, less than 2 meters apart. There have actually been some cases in some cities where authorities have gone into restaurants and shut them down because they are not following the guidelines. So yeah, I mean, I know that there has been some debate whether Sweden is doing the right thing or not, because we have it a little bit more open than a lot of other European countries, and I don't know, it's really hard to say. I mean, if you just compare the number of people who have died from this thing, we are way above our countries, our neighboring countries. I mean, way above. So who knows, did we do the right thing or not? I don't know. I guess we just have to evaluate when this shit is over and see where we are at, and give it some time for people to reflect, and yeah, let's see. But other than that, my summer plans are pretty much what I thought it would be, because, you know, since the baby is coming and all, so there won't be any traveling anyway. So yeah, be home with the baby in the new house, and as it looks now, I will be working from the new house basically the entire summer. I'm not complaining as long as the weather is fine. So yeah, that's good. I was planning on visiting my brother who lives in Stockholm this summer, but not so sure that will happen with all this. Are you going? Yeah, you're going. Yeah, that would be nice to go visit him, show him the baby, and but yeah, there will be time for that as well. I'm sure of it. We're planning on having the baby for a while, so yeah, and also planning to have the house for a while, so hopefully we will be able to enjoy it a lot this summer. I mean, my own garden, I'm not a garden person, but you know, just sit outside, I love that. So in that sense, I'm definitely a garden person. I go outside as often as I can because I just love being outside and enjoy good weather. I have no idea where I'm going. I'm basically just driving around completely planless, and this is probably not where I wanted to be, but here I am. So yeah, let's just go this way then, I guess. If you see the camera go up and down, it's because I'm just nodding my head in with the music. So yeah, I'm sorry about that. Try not to do that. That's a qualified driving. I mean, I think even if not, you know, speaking to the camera like I'm doing now, I don't think it's a bad idea to have the camera rolling while driving, because you know, in case of anything happening, you have this to, you know, to be able to show what actually happened. And I mean, I think that's why dash cams in cars are so common. I mean, they're not. I mean, motovlogging, yeah, sure, it's on a motorcycle. Car vlogging, is that a thing? I don't know. Never heard about it. I mean, I know people are vlogging in cars, but entirely not so sure about that. Maybe it should be a thing. Car vlogging. See where I'm going. I have no idea. Just out for a drive. I was watching Crocodile Dundee the other day, and he talked about going on a walkabout. And basically I'm doing a drive about. Planless. But he was away 18 months. I'm not planning on being away that long. I work tomorrow. I don't think I have an aim with this drive. It's just a drive. Just to get out, spend some gas, and just feel very good about myself. I know up here it's actually, well, it used to be at least a favorite spot for police to do speed checks. So better keep it within limit. Oh, that was a nasty bump. Didn't expect it to be that high. Oh man, I should have brought my camera. Oh, totally forgot. I didn't want to bring my backpack, so it makes it a little bit harder to bring the camera. I still haven't got the bags. I got some tip from you guys, some quality stuff, so definitely gonna check that out eventually. But I don't want to get anything now before I move, because you know, if I give them my shipping address and it doesn't show up before I move, I will lose it. And if I give them the new one and I haven't moved there yet and it arrives, yeah, it's just gonna create a hassle. So for now I'm just gonna not order stuff. Actually, it's crazy, it's just 2 weeks until we move, which is insane. It's gone so fast. Funny thing, from the day, from the day we had a showing of the apartment until it was sold, it was 3 days. 3 days, that's it, which is nothing. and the house that we're moving into is currently empty, so nobody lives there, so we could have moved in basically whenever, but then we had, you know, double rents and stuff. But the people who got our place could move in quite quickly as well, so it all turned out better than we expected, because we didn't expect to move until like August or something, so way faster than we thought. The only issue is that I expect, or I think, that the baby will come on the same week as we're moving, so that's just something we have to deal with if that is the case. Luckily we have hired people to move stuff for us, but still it's not optimal if she arrives now. This roundabout is also a huge accident magnet for some reason. I used to live like down there, and it's so I've driven here quite a bit, so I know there's always accidents. Well, anyway, I just wanted to say hi and show you my oil change failure. That yeah, hopefully I will get that sorted soon and able to do the change. But yeah, as always, ride safe and take care of each other, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.